Hello, everyone.
How many goodie bags do I have? 9.
You have 9? Are you serious?
See?
You have 0 goodie bags.
How many?
Normally they're sort of common, but now we don't find any. There's more pumpkins here, by the way.
There's a snatcher.
Ah, crap! I hate those things.
No, fight me! I have arrows.
And I have a sword.
Goodie bag!
You serious?
Yes!
I want this one. You already got one.
Okay. No! Die piranhas! This is mine. Well, Kieran's.
It's ours.
Oh, jeez.
You're like, oh, jeez, no. What have I gotten myself into?
I have a bunny.
Grenades.
There's a tree living under the water.
Oh yeah, tons of trees do that. In the jungle. Yeah, in the jungle it happens a lot. Never, you scrub.
Is this a chest under the water? No, that's
one of those water chests.
Oh no. Damn it.
There we go. I've made one giant lake.
Fight me.
Get out of my face, you stupid little bunny slimes.
Stop.
It's my battle music.
Do.
I hate you right now.
Do. They think that these stupid slimes, they can't keep me. I'm on you. Fight me, slimes. I have an arrow.
A singular arrow.
No, I have a bow with 1,006 arrows. Come on, get out! I want to fight you. Can't. I'm just gonna jump down there. Wow! Fight me. Yeah.
Alright, Lloyd, stop being so pushy.
Wait, I need to go home.
Alright, one second. I need to make a little fortification for myself. Feel me? In a second, we're gonna go eat lunch because we're fat. I used to make a small.
I'm actually kind of skinny for my age.
You say that now. Oh no, 1 minute.
Wait, I don't have any bait.
I'll give you some. Come on up. Come on. Get in. Get in.
I'm dying.
We'll get in.
Okay. Hold on. Where's my bow? I mean my fishing bow. I mean my what? Well, my inventory is full.
Pick up the fireflies.
I can. My inventory.
Drop something.
I'll throw this one. Yeah, throw. I'll put this. I'll put this. Yeah.
What? I need to catch it. I need to catch it. All around me are familiar faces.
Stop. It's not funny.
Can I have the goodie bag you said you'd give me?
I'll open it.
No. Give it to me.
Okay. Put this there and then this there.
Hey, look, a wooden crate. I got a guide to plant fiber cordage. Do you want it?
What?
I got another guide to plant
Sure.
fiber cordage.
Why not?
Come to me and give me the goodie bag.
She said, asked you if you wanted to go now or wait till 3.
Wait till 3.
He just said like 5 seconds ago he was whatever.
Well, the rest of the text came in.
Oh.
Abigail's still in the bath, so we'll get together.
She's in the bath? Whoa, that is so surprising.
There's nothing I'm catching that's insanely annoying. Bang, 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 bouncing the table.
I'm telling you.
I'm
Your
going
mom.
slowly murdering your entire family.
What?
Oh my god! Everything I try to catch breaks the line. A bass. I'm so lucky. I got a wooden crate. I got an extractinator. Woo. Hello, darkness,
My old friend, I think with you again. Stop bullying me, Kieran. Stop bullying me. On the day of my gift me 9 and on dream.
I'm home. I want a divorce.
But I'm not good.
I know.
I'll take it then. I'll take it.
Give me the goodie bag. Alright, here you go. I said, here you go. Oh, come on. You want this stuff?
What? Oh, sure.
Oh no! What have I done?
I'm a pumpkin wearing pumpkin armor.
Oh no.
Literally, look. I'm a pumpkin wearing pumpkin armor.
Please don't come anywhere near me. What is
Do.
this? What have I
Do.
done? What are you doing?
I'll go get some more crackers.
You do that, sunny
You
boy,
wanna pack?
boy, oh boy, no. Boy, oh boy, sunny boy, boy, sunny boy, sunny. What absolute drab you're wearing. Quickity stacky. Quickity stacky.